Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly remove a specific word, symbol, or special character, or any other unwanted characters from your document in Microsoft Word using the Find and Replace feature. This is especially useful when you're editing long documents and need to clean up formatting or symbols. Let's get started. First, open your Word document. To begin, press Ctrl+H on your keyboard to open the Find and Replace dialog box. If you're on a Mac, press Command+H instead. Now, in the dialog box, you'll see two fields, Find What and Replace With. In the Find What field, type in the word or special character you want to remove. Next, in the Replace With field, leave it empty. Once you're ready, click on Replace All. Word will search your entire document and remove all instances of whatever you typed in the Find What field, whether it's a word, number, or special character. So that's how you can quickly remove specific words, symbols, or any other unwanted characters from your Word document using the Find and Replace tool. It's an easy way to clean up your document and make it look more polished. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.